Hello again, everybody. It's time for another one of my videos where I compress hours of work into 3 or less minutes while I provide monotonous commentary, say a lot, and also do this little ticking sound a lot. But here we are again. And all that said, everybody seems to like my videos nonetheless, so I keep making them, and I'll continue to keep making them. This piece here is it's a double piece of two small pieces of birch burl that are cast together, and it's got a lovely combination of purple and pink resins in it. And this particular one was a little finicky. You know, these I have a bunch of scraps of from these birch burls lying around still that I'm using to cast up, and they're gorgeous stuff. But the live edge on them is a little quirky, and so even though it's stabilized, some of that quirkiness likes to tear out a little bit as I'm with the scraping cuts that I use on the resin. The thing about wood turning, if you're not, if you don't do it and you're just sitting here watching people like me, it all kind of looks the same, but every material seems to have different types of cuts that dictate how it likes to be worked. And when you have these wood and resin combinations like this, you have different hardnesses and different materials within the same block. So as it turns around, you go from, hard wood in the center to much softer corkiness in the transition. Then you go into like a medium hardness of the resin, and the wood likes a different angle and a different type of cut than the resin does. And if I turn this with tools and cuts that work great on wood, it will really want to chip out the resin, and so it can all be kind of finicky, but it has a real lovely and unique look, and this piece is no exception at all. The 3D quality in the resin, this pictures and videos don't do it justice. This is really a lovely piece, and I'll be back soon with some more, I'm sure. So once again, thanks for watching, and this is what it looks like. Thanks.